big drawing day today, right?
I am going to draw our whole family.
Draw me taller than I am. That girl is walking all the way alone.
Her bag looks really old.
Be kind to friends in hard spots, okay?
I will be kind, Dad. Me too.
Good. That is all I ask. Have a good day, you two. Bye, Dad.
Bye, Dad. See you after school.
My room is that way. Good luck with drawing.
You need the luck, Bed. Your drawings look like potatoes.
They are very good potatoes.
Good morning, everyone. Crayons are on your desks.
Crayons. Good.
Find your seats, Pack. We start in 2 minutes. Come in, Mao. There is a seat by the window.
Thank you.
We are drawing our families today.
Hi, I am Maya. I am Mia. That is a nice red crayon.
Draw the people you love most.
Mom, Dad, Tom, me.
Look at that bag, Hag. It is falling apart.
It looks like it came from the trash. Stop it. Hey, oh, your backpack has a big hole in it.
Please do not say that.
I am just saying what everyone can see.
An old bag is not a bad thing. Laughing at someone is. Jack, say sorry and return to your seat.
Sorry.
We treat everyone with kindness here, always.
That just fell.
Big hole?
No hold, just loud. Very loud.
You okay?
Yes, thank you.
Do you want to sit with me at lunch?
Okay, good. I have an apple and a small cake. I have bread. Is that your mom? Yes. She works far away. She will love the picture.
How are the potato drawings going?
Ugh, go to your class, Tom.
Mine is already done. It looks great. This is very carefully done, Mia.
Thank you.
We will put these up on the wall this afternoon. Kind. Say it.
Kind.
A kind person thinks about others first. Break time. Back in 15 minutes.
You keep that crayon very safe. My mom gave it to me.
Hey, Juan. I am Tom, Maya's brother.
Hi.
Do you want the other half?
I am not that hungry.
Sit with me at lunch, okay? I said I would share my cake.
Okay, yes.
Good. Maya's cake is actually very good.
He really embarrassed himself with that bag.
Leave it. He knows.
It is okay.
See you at lunch. Save me a seat. Your class is on the other side.
I know, just in case. She had very little pow, but she shared all of it.
You can see better if you move your chair.
Thank you.
This part is sad. It gets better at the end. How do you know? It always does.
Over here. I saved the whole corner.
Oh, you are in the wrong class section.
They said I could stay.
Probably.
The apple is yours. Are you sure? I have the cake. Tom is not getting any. I saved this whole table. I carried that corner.
You sat down. That is not carrying.
You can have half of my bread.
I accept this with great honor.
It is just bread.
All bread is great bread.
Your mom, when did she go away?
3 months ago. She sends money when she can.
The crayon is from before she left?
She said, draw everything you see, so I do not forget.
That is a very good reason to keep it safe.
Oh no, Gat, I am sorry, that was careless. I got it, Year. The cake is okay. Thank you. Good save. My crayon, Boar. It fell out. Oh, I will help you find it, Boar. It must be under here. I need to find it. Oh, it is red, Seb. You will see it easily. I do not see it yet, Yo. Maybe it rolled further. Mom gave it to me. I cannot lose it. Lunch is over, Side. Everyone back to class.
We have to go, hey. Do not worry. We will look this afternoon.
But Mo, okay.
We will find it. It has to be here somewhere. She really needs that crayon back. After class. We look after class.
We will come back right after last class. Yes. We will find it, Mia.
Eyes up here, please, bae. Just rain. Are you okay? The roof leaks at home.
My books are in the shed.
What books?
All of them. If the roof leaks.
Heavy rain, say. Everyone wait in the hall for your parents.
I have to go home.
Mia, Aid, wait for a parent. It is not safe.
Mia, the teacher said wait. My books will be ruined.
Mia, you cannot walk in this storm. Mia, come back. I will be okay. She is not okay. Phone pain. Where is my phone? What is this? This is red.
It was in my bag this whole time. She was looking for this. She went into the rain because of this. Mia, see, where are you? She is already gone. Dad. I need Dad.
What happened? Why do you look like that?
This is Mia's crayon pud. It fell into my bag at lunch.
So, Tiu, where is Mia? She went into the storm to check on her home. She lives in an old shed behind the park, alone.
In this storm?
Dad, this is Mia's crayon. It fell into my bag. She went into the storm.
Her home is an old shed behind the park.
Show me.
She left the school to go back for this.
I did not know it was in my bag.
I know. Now we go find her. The new girl Payas Mia P, she went into the storm alone.
I will call her family contact right now.
We are going to look. The shed is behind the park.
Dad, I know the way into that alley, P. Only I saw it before from the car.
You are sure?
Yes. Turn left at the school, past the oak tree. I saw it.
She is my friend. I want to give her the crayon back.
Stay close. Do not leave my side.
We will find her, Dad.
Tom, which direction from here?
Left, then straight along the wall to the oak tree.
Hurry, Dad!
You know, this reminds me of the time I left an umbrella on a bus.
Dad and Hay, really? Now?
The point is we always go back for what matters.
There, Rope, the oak tree. The shed is right behind it. Wait, Ned, stay together. Call her name first.
Mia! Mia! It is Maya! Mia! We have your crayon! I do not hear anything.
She has to be in there.
There, Cluck! There is a light!
That is the shed. Come on now, stay close.
We found her! It is okay. It dries. The crayon is gone too. You are okay. Still readable. Just thunder. It is just thunder. I am not scared. I drew you today, Mom. I drew you in red. I hope you got to see it somehow. No, not the floor too. Higher. Stay higher. It is okay. I am okay. Is someone there? Hello? Hello, is someone there?
Tom 10, Maya Peen, stay here.
No. I am coming.
Then stay right beside me.
Mia,
My name is Dad. I am Maya's father.
she is in there. The light is on.
Mia, you are safe. We are here to help.
You came here? I found your crayon. It was in my bag. You came. In the storm.
Mia, it is not safe here tonight. Please come with us, Pert. You can stay at our home.
My books. Have them. They will stay dry.
You are getting wet.
I was already wet.
We will call your school and your family contact.
I thought I lost it. I am sorry it fell in my bag. You did not know. I should have checked my bag sooner. You came in the storm. That is what matters.
She had her books up on the crate.
I saw.
She was by herself this whole time.
We found her. She is safe, wet and cold.
How long until you are home?
10 minutes. Can you get a warm blanket and hot chocolate?
That is Mom. She always has things ready. She sounded kind. She is.
Come inside, Tuid. You must be so cold. My name is Mom. You are safe here.
I got the biggest one. That is very thorough, Tom. She needed the warmest one.
Better?
Yes, thank you.
The hot chocolate is nearly ready.
It has a little honey. Mom always puts honey. It is very warm. That is the point.
I spoke with your Aunt Hirt. She is coming tomorrow morning.
She is far away.
She is coming. Tonight you stay here.
Is it really okay for me to stay?
Yes, it is okay. From now on, you are welcome here.
Cushion here, pillow there, good.
She is sleeping there, not hosting a dinner party.
Comfort is important, Maya.
This is very soft. Tom put 3 cushions on it. He did a good job.
Tomorrow, Lee, we can draw together if you want.
You still want to draw with me?
You draw very well, Mia.
You are okay. I am okay too. Thank you, Mom.
Mia, you have a fever.
I am okay.
You need to rest. I will stay close.
Sleep now. I am right here. You will stay? I will stay.
She might need more light. Not that it is a big deal. It is a little bit a big deal.
Draw everything you see, so you do not forget. Good rule, Mia. She is still here. She stayed. Are you real?
Still here. The fever is gone. You slept well.
Thank you for staying. My mom used to do that.
I know. Sleep a little more. Breakfast is not ready yet.
How is she?
Fever is gone. She slept.
Good. You were up all night.
She needed someone there.
Maya, a bag is just a bag.
Maya, a bag is just a bag, but a person is not.
Mia, right. Mia is here. Is she okay? Did she sleep? I need to check on the books. You are just ahead.
It is very warm in here.
See? I told you. Biggest one.
Tom, she looks like a snowman.
A very warm snowman.
A very warm snowman.
Good morning, all.
Morning. Good morning.
This is fixable.
You do not have to do that.
Maya, a bag is just a bag.
Mom, you just said my name like a lesson.
Did I? I suppose I did.
That bag looks completely different. Your mom fixed it. She is good at fixing things. There is Jack. I see him.
Mia, I was not kind yesterday. Your bag is not bad. I am sorry.
Okay. We are friends now.
Yeah?
Yes. Friends.
Okay. Good.
Now we are going to be late.
Draw anything you like today.
What will you draw? A big family. Is that all of us? Yes. There is Dad, Mom, Tom, you, and me. It is beautiful. It is not finished. It is already beautiful.
What are you drawing?
Our family color with you in it.
You are putting me in your drawing?
Yes. Thank you, Maya. Draw everything you see, Mia.
Jack is over there.
I see him. Where are you going? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Sit with me.
All right.
Excellent. Now someone pass me the bread.
Okay, important question. Best sandwich filling ever.
Cheese and jam.
That sounds terrible. The cheese is salty. The jam is sweet. Together, Ed, perfect.
He has a point. You are both wrong.
We will fix the roof before the next rain.
You do not have to.
Maya, a bag is just a bag.
I will come back. But I am not by myself anymore. Okay, let us go.